First off, the MCI 3100. We were approached by a rather large user committee of one of the bigger ISVs that are out there today that has a very complex application, and many of their commands and their keystrokes were multiple, so you had to do a Control-Alt-7 and such, and we were able to embed the most commonly used 23 of them, if I remember correctly, of the commands into the keyboard. One of the interesting factors that we were able to do is, if you'll notice up here on your traditional function line, we were in fact able to put the function key along with the alternate keystroke that it represents, so a cash drop payout, tendering, and such. Also, because we have a secondary line of programmable keys, some of the functions that they would typically show on the screen and then you'd have to mouse click up and over, we were able to put right down under that secondary line, program it in, and take the mouse clicks and actually create the programming language to embed on this keyboard. There is a second version of this available. This one with MSR, the secondary version is, instead of the arrow keys, we actually embed the mouse. Over here we worked closely with one of our clients and laid out with alphanumeric QWERTY up top, the number pad down here, and you'll see discount capabilities, tax overrides, item void, price verify, so if somebody just has the bag of food or whatever and they don't know what to charge, hotkey for the manager to bring them in and go forward, and then different tendering types. Again, a good use of colors to differentiate certain aspects into the keyboard. And then lastly, similar to the earlier one we just reviewed, another family within the 128, again alpha up top, numeric in the center. On this one in particular, you see the manager's menu, so that there's actually a drop down that pops up on the screen when you press that key. Departments, media exchange, food stamps, check, cash. Again, good use of color, helping guide the cashier through the process. Well, this ends today's little video on retail keyboards. Hopefully you've gotten something out of it. We look forward to having you as a customer real soon.